Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Learn Arabic with me, Mona. In today's lesson, we will add many new and useful words to our vocabulary using an easy and simple way. In the previous lesson, we studied together the word tall, and its opposite is short. Tall means طويل, طويل, and short means قصير, قصير. The word big and its opposite is small. Big means كبير, كبير, and small means صغير, صغير. Also the word open and its opposite is closed. Open means مفتوح, مفتوح. Closed means مغلق, مغلق. We also take the word cold and its opposite is hot. Cold in Arabic means بارد, بارد, and hot in Arabic means ساخن, ساخن. This was a quick review to the vocabulary of the previous lesson, which we will use today to learn new words. Unlike English, the Arabic language has difference between the masculine and feminine. There are some masculine nouns that we use a masculine adjectives for it, and some feminine nouns we use feminine adjectives for it. To understand, we will apply on the adjectives of the previous lesson. The adjective short. Its masculine form is قصير, قصير. Its feminine form is قصيرة, قصيرة. The adjective tall. Its masculine form is طويل, طويل. Its feminine form is طويلة, طويلة. Big. Its masculine form is كبير, كبير. Its feminine form is كبيرة, كبيرة. The adjective small. Its masculine form is صغير, صغير. Its feminine form is صغيرة, صغيرة. Open. Masculine form is مفتوح, مفتوح. Feminine form is مفتوحة, مفتوحة. Closed. Masculine is مغلق, مغلق. Feminine is مغلقة, مغلقة. Hot. The masculine form is ساخن, ساخن. The feminine form is ساخنة ساخنة. Cold. The masculine form is بارد بارد. The feminine form is باردة باردة. Sure, you have noticed that the difference between masculine and feminine form is the letter colored in red, which called تاء مربوطة tied تاء. To understand what tied تاء is, تاء مربوطة, we have to look at this. This is تاء مربوطة, and this is also تاء مربوطة tied تاء. Its origin is تاء مفتوحة, but its two ends have connected and the two dots goes up, so it becomes تاء مربوطة. So the letter at the top called تاء مربوطة, and the letter at the bottom called تاء مفتوحة. Open تاء at the bottom, تاء مفتوحة, and at the top tied تاء, تاء مربوطة. If a word ended by this تاء مربوطة, 99% this word is a feminine word. So now we understand what is تاء مربوطة. Let's move to a new word. Boy. The word boy means ولد ولد. Try to remember with me, what does the word boy mean? Yes, very good. It's ولد. Girl. Girl in Arabic means بنت بنت. Now, try to remember with me, what does the word girl means? Very good. It means بنت بنت. So, boy means ولد and girl means بنت. So, in English we say tall boy or tall girl. Both are tall for masculine or for feminine. In Arabic, it is not the case. Tall boy means ولد طويل ولد طويل. Tall girl means بنت طويلة بنت طويلة. Note the تاء مربوطة, the letter which is written in red at the end of the word طويل. So it transformed into طويلة for feminine. Tall boy means ولد طويل and tall girl means بنت طويلة. Let's move to a new word, which is ball, ball. Ball means كرة, كرة. The word كرة ended with تاء مربوطة, so we understand that this is a female word, a feminine word. On the left, there's a big ball. كرة كبيرة, كرة كبيرة. On the right, there's a small ball. كرة صغيرة, كرة صغيرة. So now we added the word كرة to our vocabulary list. كرة is a female word. Take female adjectives like كبيرة or صغيرة. Let's move to a new word, which is door. Door means باب, باب. باب is a masculine word, so it takes masculine adjectives. On your left, there is a closed door. باب مغلق, باب مغلق. On your right, there is an open door. باب مفتوح, باب مفتوح. So now we added the word door to our new vocabulary, which is باب, باب. And know that باب is a masculine word. You should know that by heart, and you will get used on feminine and masculine words as we going on with lessons. So باب is a masculine word. Take masculine adjective like باب مغلق, باب مفتوح. We can say باب مغلقة. No, it's completely wrong. باب is a masculine, so باب مغلق or باب مفتوح. Now we will take two new words. They are tea. Tea in Arabic means شاي, شاي. Juice. Juice in Arabic means عصير, عصير. شاي is a masculine word. Take masculine adjectives like hot. Hot tea means شاي ساخن, شاي ساخن. Note that ساخن is a masculine adjective. عصير also is a masculine noun, is a masculine word, so it takes masculine adjectives like بارد. Cold juice means عصير بارد, عصير بارد. We cannot say باردة. باردة is a feminine word, and عصير is a masculine word. The noun عصير and the adjective بارد should have the same gender. عصير is a masculine word. بارد is a masculine adjective. So عصير بارد. So we have reached to the end of the lesson. I hope you understood the most important point in the lesson, which is how to change an adjective from masculine to feminine by adding تاء مربوطة and that the adjective matches the word it describes in gender. Please like my video and subscribe my channel if you didn't subscribe it yet to help my new videos reach Arabic learners all over the world. Learn Arabic with me, Mona. Thank you for watching and goodbye.